Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Marilyn, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this super gorgeous top. So if you guys are interested, please comment down below how long it took you guys to make this top. This is the easiest project that you'll ever make. Please make sure to follow me on my TikTok. It's Threads by Marilyn, as well as subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this beautiful halter gradient top. Without wasting any of your time, let's get started. For my top I used 5 colors of yarn, so you're going to need that amount or less depending on the type of top you want to make. So I did 3 rows for each and every single color. You're gonna need your scissors as well as your 3.5mm hook. Without wasting any time, let's get started. You're gonna start off with a magic circle. To do that, I just simply do that, insert my hook, pull the yarn, and then chain 2. Then double crochet, and then a double crochet again, chain 2, then 2 double crochets again in that magic circle. So that's what we have going on. You're going to close off the magic circle. You're going to chain 2. And that's in your work. In the first space, you're going to put 2 double crochets. In the next space, you're going to put 1 double crochet. In the chain 2 space, you're going to put 2 double crochets to make an increase. Chain 2. In the same space, you're going to put 2 double crochets. And the next space over here, you're going to put 1 double crochet. In the last space, you're going to put 2 double crochets. You're going to chain 2. In the first stitch, you're going to put 2 double crochets in the same space. And then you're going to work single double crochets until we get to the chain 2 space. I've reached my chain 2 space. You're going to put 2 double crochets in that space. Chain 2. And then 2 double crochets again in that same space. Like that. And then in the next double crochet space, you're going to put a double crochet, and then until you're going to stop at the last stitch. So single double crochets, and then in the last stitch I'll meet you there. I'm at the last stitch. You're gonna put 2 double crochets in the last stitch, like that. You can do another row if you want your top to be longer than mine. You can do another row. It's all up to you. It's always optional, but I'm just showing you how I made mine. So once you're done with that, you're gonna chain 2, cut off the white color, and then I moved on to a lighter blue, so that's what I'm gonna do for this portion. So I'm gonna turn my work so it's facing this way, not this way, but this way. And then I'm gonna take my blue yarn, and then in the first stitch attach my yarn, tucking that inside as well. Chain 2. In the first stitch, you're going to put 2 double crochets. In the next individual stitch, you're going to put 1 double crochet. And then one all around until you get to the chain 2 space. I'm at my chain 2 space. I'm going to put 2 double crochets in that same space. Chain 2. Sorry, I touched my yarn, but the pattern is pretty much the same. Chain 2. In the same space, you're going to put 2 double crochets. Work single double crochets till the in the last stitch, you're going to put 2 double crochets. Like that. So you're going to repeat what you did for all the other rows to row number 5 until your desired length. So you chain 2 in the first stitch. You're going to put 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Work single double crochets in the middle. You're going to put 2 double crochets in the same chain 2 space, then chain 2 and then another 2, and then work, and then in the last stitch you're going to put 2 double crochets. So that's basically what I did. So for each and every color I did 3 rows. So 3 rows of white, 3 rows of blue, 3 rows of this, I don't know, other shade of blue, then 3 rows, and then For the last one, I did 3 rows and then added a border of the shining blue. So yeah, that basically sums up the video. I hope you guys found the tutorial very helpful, quick, easy, and fast to do. Please make sure to like my video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.